Hello my friends and welcome back. So for today's video we are showing you some heated gloves. Comes with a nice carrying pouch, manual, and these are the gloves itself. Oh wow, they're really nice. They're really nice looking. And they are heavy duty as well. Battery is in here, so make sure you take that out first. Oh wow. Yeah, these are really nice and soft. Really nice material. Charging cable is in here as well, and you can charge both batteries at the same time. So for charging the battery, it's very simple. Plug it in like this, and then plug it into a wall outlet, and that's how you charge your battery. So let's take a look at the battery. They are 3000 mAh batteries, which is definitely large capacity, so that's awesome. How the batteries work: go reach in here, there's going to be a little line, pop that cap off, plug this in, and then slide your battery back inside. Now you're ready to go. Now you would press and hold the on-off button, and there it shows you the level of the battery and then the heating level. So full, medium, low. Full, medium, low. Go ahead, place your hand in just like this. So each finger can move pretty good, even though it is bulky. So to make this tight, you just simply pull this, and that makes it tight against your arm. To make this tight, you just pull this, just like that. Overall, very nice. I could definitely feel it heating up very good. I really like the style and the feel. They feel really nice. Overall, I am actually pretty impressed with these.